Hi, my name is Ben. I'm an HKUST MBA student for 2025. Having worked in various locations and the privilege to travel extensively in the past, I've maintained a key interest in the growing Asia-Pacific area. HKUST is a well-established university in the region that I believe will provide the right foundations and act as a great stepping stone for my career ambitions in APAC. Well, with my background in engineering and considerable experience in startups, I hope to utilize the MBA to make great connections with my peers and to develop an in-depth financial understanding for my longer-term entrepreneurial goals. I would describe the MBA cohort so far as being, firstly, inspiring. So many people have come from very different backgrounds. They're also very driven. They definitely made it to the top of their careers and are looking to excel even further. And lastly, they're very supportive. I've met so many people in the last couple of weeks who are so keen to share all their interests and skills and to help you succeed along the way.